University of Vermont. This is Sam the Weatherman here with your forecast, coming live from inside the Davis Center at the University of Vermont Weather Station. Here we have a time lapse from yesterday. We can see all throughout the day we had clouds and some breaks of sunshine throughout the day, but nothing too major. We had a similar day today actually, nothing too significant, but some clouds. Notice the snow off to the south down in southern New England and southern New York. This snow is not coming our way. It's actually, there's a front moving up the coast, which is going to go off into the ocean before it comes and hits us. But let's take a look at your current conditions now. We have a current temperature out there of 29 degrees, winds 9 miles an hour out of the northwest with a humidity of 85% and that barometric pressure of 29.79. As far as this evening goes, we have a low tonight of 25 degrees, and that brisk wind should stick around, and we have our wind chill down at 18. A chance of a flurry this evening, but we should expect that cloud cover to remain through the evening. Now as we move on into tomorrow, we have a high tomorrow of 35 degrees and a low of 19, but because of that north wind that's pushing that snow off out into the ocean, it should bring the nice sunshine with some clouds, with partly cloudy skies down into our area for tomorrow. Now let's take a look at your tomorrow forecast by the hour. While you're waking up tomorrow morning, around 7 to 10 a.m. Temperature should be in the low 30s here, and then the sunshine should already be out by the time you're up. Notice the sunshine throughout the day, and then we reach our high of 35 in the mid-afternoon as usual. Also notice it's going to be very windy tomorrow. We have winds steady in the low teens, gusting into the low 20s. So it's going to be very windy. Make sure to hold on to your hat if you're walking out and about. Here's a look now at your precipitation forecast. Notice the rain off out in the Rocky Mountains, but here's this big storm that I was talking about earlier, coming right up the coast, and you'll see this is actually projected off into the future. It's coming up, and then it just sort of stalls and heads off out into the ocean, so that's why it's not going to affect us up here in Vermont. And here's a look now at your temperature forecast. We'll see we have this bubble of cold air that's going to hit us within 2 to 3 days. And then notice we have this warm pocket of air right here that's going to be over Wisconsin in about 3 or 4 days, but it's coming our way. Should bring warmer temperatures to Vermont just in time for us to leave and go home for spring break. All right, here's a look now at your weekly forecast. Like we said, on Thursday should be high of 36, a chance of flurries in the morning. But on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the sun is out for the whole weekend. Should be beautiful. Temperatures high of 30, 33 on Friday, even gets up to 37 and 39 on Sunday. And with the bright sunshine, should be very nice. But notice the cold lows with those clear skies can't hold all that heat down in, so the nights should be chilly. As far as skiing goes for this weekend, temperatures should be pretty much like they have been in the low 30s. Because that big storm system is staying off into the ocean once it hits New England, we have no new snow or projected snow for any of the ski resorts, which is unfortunate. Here's a look at your party forecast for this weekend if you're thinking about sticking around and not heading home early for break. Notice we have the check mark of approval for heading out on every single night this weekend. Should be a good weekend if you're staying in town. Temperatures are in the low 30s at 10 p.m. every night, and they dip down into the 20s as the night goes on. So it should be a pretty good weekend for partying. But if you're thinking about heading home, here's your spring break travel forecast. Notice this is the forecast for Friday night if you're thinking about heading home. Notice no warnings or no weather at all throughout the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic. Should be a great day for traveling. The only thing you have to worry about is if you're heading into South Dakota or heading out to California. Notice the snow sort of near Rapid City, South Dakota, but that shouldn't affect too many of us. Now, as far as temperatures go, when you're thinking about heading home, notice not too cold anywhere in the country. This blue is the 30s, so pretty normal temperatures in the Midwest here. The chilliest part of the country is actually going to be in Vermont, so no matter where you're going, you're going to be heading to warmer temperatures. Good news for traveling, should be pretty easy for all of us. Thank you for tuning in to Sam and Dan the Weatherman. I am Sam the Weatherman. You can catch our shows every day. Good night, UVM.